So I go to this house one day, and it's in the middle of the summer. It's really hot. I knock on the door. The guy comes to the door, and he tells me what the problem is. I walk in. I find out there's a bad thermostat, and I say, hey, I don't have any thermostats on the truck. This is how much it's going to cost. I can go get a thermostat and come back. And he says, sure. I said, just give me 30 minutes. So I go to the supply house, get the thermostat. I come back, and I knock on the door again. Completely different guy answers the door. Completely different. The other guy had a family, he had kids and everything. This guy, he's just single, and it threw me off a little bit. And I said, well, I'm here to change the thermostat. I was confused, he was confused, but he said, sure. And I went back to the thermostat. I'm changing the thermostat, and he's giving me the third degree, question after question after question. And then finally, I just kind of asked him, is everything okay? And he said, yeah, I just have to be honest with you. I live in Germany, and I haven't been at this house that I own. It's my house. I haven't been here in 4 years. The house has been empty for 4 years, and I just got stationed back in Fayetteville, and I put my key in, and a family was here, and I kicked the family out. They were squatters, and then once I got them out, about 5 minutes later, you show up saying you're going to change the thermostat. So I'm trying to find out what's going on, and I said, I'm trying to find out what's going on. So this family was just living in your house, and you just kicked them out 5 minutes ago, and I come 5 minutes after. And so, yeah, it turned out that the guy was in the Army. He was stationed overseas. He left his house vacant, and this family was just living there. And the timing was just so odd that I just happened to come, see the first guy and leave, and then come 5 minutes after he kicks him out. Complete squatter situation. And so the guy says, okay, so I trust you. You're just a repairman. You had nothing to do with it. So go ahead and proceed. And my question was, who's going to pay for this thermostat?